Hey there! Are you on the hunt for a remote job that pays well but might not be the most thrilling? Well, you're in luck. Today we're diving into 9 boring but high-paying remote jobs that are always hiring in 2025. Let's kick things off with the funeral sales specialist. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds a bit morbid, but hear us out. This role is actually recession-proof. Families will always need support during tough times, and with low competition, you can earn a solid paycheck while helping others. Next up, we have the user manual writer. If you enjoy breaking down complex ideas into simple terms, this might be your jam. Companies are constantly launching new products, and they need clear, user-friendly manuals. It's a great way to flex those writing skills while getting paid well. Now let's talk about the WordPress support technician. With so many websites out there, these tech-savvy heroes are in high demand. You'll troubleshoot issues and help clients navigate their sites. Plus, the flexibility of remote work makes it even more appealing. Have a knack for writing? The documentation writer role could be perfect for you. You'll create guides and procedures that make life easier for everyone. It's all about simplifying the complex, and that's a skill that's always in demand. Next on our list is the data taxonomy specialist. With data exploding everywhere, these specialists ensure that information is organized and accessible. It's a vital role that pays well, especially as companies rely more on data-driven decisions. And let's not forget about other roles like technical writers, SEO specialists, virtual assistants, and remote customer service representatives. Each of these positions offers great pay and the convenience of working from home, even if they're not the most exciting gigs out there. So, whether you're looking for stability or a fresh start, these boring but high-paying remote jobs could be just what you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell to never miss an update.